This is Wisconsin 555. This is the Triple Nickel, Wisconsin, and we're standing by.
Good afternoon there, 555-151, South Carolina, waving a hand.
151, South Carolina, 151, South Carolina. This is the Triple Nickel, waving right back.
Copy that, 555. Good to hear you guys in here again. It's been quiet on the radio. How's everything up there?
Well, we finally got the girl. The girl, she was frigid for a while, but, you know, because of all the cold. She was frigid, so we got her. Anyway, you know how it is. In Cotton Country, South Carolina, 151, you take care. This is the Triple Nickel, the voice of Wisconsin.
Ah, Wisconsin, gotcha. In Wisconsin, 555. Hey, have yourself a fantastic week, 555. It was great to hear you in there. You go 151, South Carolina. I'm going to say 73s to you.
Roger, same your way. Means anything to you? You hit me at 10 pounds, so you're doing good.
Copy that. You're doing the exact same thing here, hitting me at about 10 dB also.
Anyway, you take care, son. You got a good sounding radio station. Like the audio. Anyway, 151, South Carolina, this is the Triple Nickel, with the voice of Wisconsin. We're standing down.
Yeah, 151, roll that way, 851, George, again, 73s. Have a great day.
Hey, 151, Wisconsin, 151, South Carolina, waving a hand.
I hear you in there, 151, jumping up and down.
Where you been at, Johnny?
126 in Chicago.
151, South Kakalaki. We did hear that violating wave. 151, right back at you.
Good afternoon, Scott. What's going on today? You got John over here, 151 in South Carolina.
Roger, 151, yeah. CQ, 55, South Carolina, 151 to Badger. I'm down.
Copied most of that there, 151. I got most of it. And tell 127 that I am Mud Duck number 3. And he can keep that number 1 spot.
Somebody, no doubt about that.
Yeah, I'm Mud Duck number 2.
Come on, tell me I'm covering up that 127. Say 151's covering up 127.
151, you are a little dirty, though. Hey, 151 South Kakalaki, you are overmodulated, though.
Are you one of my followers, 91?
How's that? Is that any better? I turned that thing down just a pinch.
Yeah, a little more, because otherwise you're dragging and swearing. Otherwise, you got a beautiful signal.
Copy that. I'll figure it all out later.
You want to?
Yeah, I got a 9-pound signal there, blowing smoke, no doubt. 444 said that. Yep, sir. Radio 1217, Western Illinois. All righty, I'll let you know. You're up for 92. All right. North of me there, his name is John. Hello, 151, John. Are you out there?
I am. You got 151 out here in South Carolina.
Roger on that there. Yep, sounding good there. I got about 8
This is the Triple Nickel, Wisconsin. We're standing.
Copy that. Who is that has 809 on me?
444, Wisconsin. 151 violators buddies here, about 20 miles from him there, Roger.
Copy that, 444. Yeah, we've spoke before, 444. It's great to hear you in there again. And copy that on the 151's neighbor. You got 151 in South Carolina. 127's neighbor.
Yeah, Roger that. Yeah, all kinds of neighbors today, right?
Absolutely. Neighbors are a good thing.
Yep, they're a good thing to have there. Who's that station in the Carolina? You're sounding good there, blowing smoke in there right now, like I said.
We're standing by.
Just stomping in there like gangbusters.
Well, I'm happy to hear that. I just put up a 3-element Yagi about 4 days ago.
Well, it's a working for you, no doubt about that. Yeah, I've got a 4-element Mako up there, about 90 feet there. Chicago. 3 more.
Copy that on the 90 feet on that Mako 4-element. I got a Mako 3-element about 30 feet in the air.
All right, cool. We're all Mako fans. I love the Mako station over there in North Georgia. Sounding good also. Hope you guys got some better weather down there in Georgia. 73s from 413, radio station Chicago.
This is the voice of Wisconsin.
444, I'm going to say 73s. You're getting covered up. It's hard to hear you in there now. 444, keep working that Mako. We'll talk again. 151, South Carolina. I'll be standing by.
151, take care, God bless. 344 Wisconsin. Radio just fine. Hang on to it. Don't send it back. 207 Michigan. 419 mobile radio.
How about that 207? Hey, 207, 151, South Carolina calling.
South Carolina, swing that beam up here in Illinois. Hey, you take that beam, that new beam, and swing that way up here in Illinois. 14 out of Chicago, we're standing by.
Copy that 1414. It's pointed right at you there, 1414. You got 151, South Carolina. Waving a hand to you.
We heard you earlier talking to Florida. We tried to come in the side of that brand new beam, but you didn't make the trip. Hey, we got you now, though. You're making a great trip in here. We got you at 10 over. Sounding good, and shit. 151. If he don't got you, I got you wall to wall.
Copy that 1414. You're doing a good job down here, too. 1414, there's a bunch of them in there, so I'm going to say 73s to you. And somebody else that just came in and said I'm wall to wall. Come on, you got 151, South Carolina.
151 South Carolina. You got a copy. 571 Chicago.
I believe it was a 7-1 out of Chicago. Come on back. You got 151, South Carolina returning.
Yeah, Wisconsin. You're going wall to wall up here. 50 miles north of Hamilton. You said 1414 Chicago. Radio 451. You take care. This is Wisconsin at Triple Nickel. 30 pounds plus.
Copy that, Triple Nickel. When you talk, you're the only one I'm hearing right now. Triple Nickel, it's good to talk to you again. I'm going to let some other guys have at it. Triple Nickel, have a great day. You got 151. South Carolina, I would say 73s.
As long as you point that Carolina, man, it's a trailer. Anyway, we're clear. 151 South Carolina, 571 Chicago.
571 Chicago. I heard you in there. It's rough, but I heard you. 571. You got 151 South Carolina returning.
151. Got covered you up, man. You're sounding good. I heard you talking to a friend of mine. 14, Jeff. 14 about 50 miles south of me, man. I do, Luther. 151 South Carolina, 571 Chicago. Michigan.
Copy that, 571 Chicago. Have a great week and a fantastic weekend coming. You got 151 South Carolina. I'm going to say 73s to you, 571.
Copy that, right back at you, man. 571 Chicago, we're reading the mail. Gotta cover that guy up. 151, you clear out my receive again, we'll cover him up too. Hey, 1414 Chicago, win a sight. No if he's coming back to you or not.
Hey, 1414, you got one hell of a setup going over there. That thing comes in loud and clear down here in South Carolina to 151.
Hey, 10-4, you're doing the same here. You're on top of the pile here. You're covering everybody up. You're plugging my ears. Sounding good. 1414 Chicago. We're standing by.
Copy that. I'm glad to hear my new Yagi is doing the job. 151 South Carolina. I'll be standing by.
Check. Hey, 151. That's Chicago. What are you running? How about a dish plan? 2156. What that 151 board? 2156, John. Goodbye, radio.
2156. I got you in there. I heard you calling for Mower Junkie. 2156. You got me. You got 151 South Carolina.
151. Watch your YouTube channel sometime, sir. I appreciate the call back. 2156, Northwest Indiana. On the return. Use it once to got all those big sticks.
Copy that. 2156 up there in Indiana. Great to hear you in there. And thank you so much for mentioning that channel. I really appreciate it. Hey, 2156, have yourself a fantastic week. You got 151 South Carolina. I'll be standing by.
Just to let you know, gentlemen, 151, he's running 50,000 watts, just to let you know.
Who's running 50,000 watts? Come on.
And he's running a satellite, too. I knew that was no copy on 207 Michigan.
I hear somebody calling for Mower Junkie. Come on, you got me. You got 151 South Carolina. Standing by.
How about a 151? 151. You have a copy. I got
Uncle Merle up in Iowa. I got you. Hey, Uncle Merle, you got Moa Junkie 151 returning to you.
I talked to you here a couple months ago, I think. You're sounding good as usual.
Copy that, Uncle Merle. You're doing a good job over here, too. It's good to hear you in there again. It's been a while.
This is Aunt Jemima. Uncle Merle, this is Aunt Jemima. It's been a long time, but when I heard you in there, I remembered the number, so have a good weekend. Good afternoon, 127, South Carolina.
Copy that, Uncle Merle. Hey, have yourself a fantastic rest of the week. I hope it treats you well. You got 151, South Carolina. I'm going to say 73s to you there, Uncle Merle.
How about that 151? Just to let you know, 151, South Carolina, like I say. 27. Hey, that 151 just covered you up again. I don't know if you're coming back to me or not, but again, 127, 1414 out of Chicago.
Tell that 127 that he's a mud duck. He's being covered up by 151.
Oh, he just did it again. He told me to tell you you're a mud duck. So, I guess you are coming back to me, but we'll say 73s to you. He's going to have to change his number to 777 out of Florida if he keeps this up. This is ridiculous. See that plugging my ears up here in Chicago. 73s to you, 1414 out of Chicago.
I love
Standing
this
by
guy.
to get on because you're a damn good station. Eastern Iowa here, 207, Michigan, standing by. Eastern Iowa on here too.
Hey, 207. I'm going to try again. Maybe this time I'll hear you. 207, 151, South Carolina calling.
Hey, 151, South Carolina, go to 395.
Gone to 395.
Let me have a blast off the ground, but you can see them.
207. I got a lot of them in here, too.
Go ahead, 151, 207.
How's things treating you there, Dave? It's good to hear you in there.
How about yourself?
Oh, life has been good lately. Life has been real good. I got a new antenna. I got a new mattress. Hey, what more could I ask for?
I see you got your beam up.
Yeah, I'm talking to you on it right now. So far, it seems like it's doing pretty good.
I'm back at home right now, but I got still hearing you in there, 94. Yeah, I was gonna say, you got a chimney on your house, right? Yeah, he's put up a tree. Yeah, I got a chimney.
Dave, I'm starting to lose you. I got others that are covering you up, Dave. 207, it's good to hear you. You got 151. I'm going to take a standby here, see if I can hear you come in again.
772 up here in the creek. Yeah, we'll see if we get you there. 724 Chicago. You got a copy on the East Coast? How about a 151? You got a copy on 94 out here in Chicago?
94 Chicago, I hear you in there. You got 151, South Carolina returning.
Hey, that's a Roger, sir. You're down here in Chicago this afternoon, Q5. Okay, 724, give it a try. Panama City up here in Madison, Wisconsin, 419. Go ahead, Toad. Hello, Sam. You got a copy on Iowa? Now, where did he go? I had a friend that's north of me, and I wanted him to give you a shout. How about it, 724?
I got a copy on you. I believe it was 724. Come on, you got 151, South Carolina returning.
151, no problem copying you. 724, about 20 miles northwest of Chicago in the Mobile.
Copy that, 724. That mobile's doing a hell of a job. It's really doing the trick for you. 724, you're sounding good. Copy that. Thank you very much there, 724. Yes, this is Moa Junkie, 151.
I'm using a 102 whip on the side of a pickup truck, and I'm the guy that also uses a 102 whip on my bass and stuff. I watched a lot of this stuff, how you make the whip and all that. I'm running 2 radios, not the ideal 3 or 4, but I got 2 radios, 102.5 inches, they're at a 55-degree angle, and I got a 102 whip at the top with a female coupler underneath it, so this way it plays a little nicer on 11, Roger?
Copy that on the 2 radials. Let me tell you, If you add 2 more radios to that thing will wake up like you can't imagine. The receive improves greatly when you add some more radios to it. They work great with 2, but hey, they're phenomenal with 4.
Roger, I appreciate that. So it is, when it warms up here, you loud, we're on the first day we got it warm here, and I don't want to tie it up and still here on 94, but I do appreciate the contact. But real quick, my plan is I'm going to wind up taking, and I'm just pulling up to work here, just got to get back, but what I wind up doing is I'm going to take a plate, and I'm thinking about making them a half wavelength and putting quantity more. See, I got my antenna up on a hazer. If you're familiar with a glow Martin hazer, it's on a Room 25, and it's a system that raises and lowers the antenna there, Roger.
Copy that. Yeah, that sounds like a good plan. It sounds like a really good plan. I heard you say you're at work now, so all right, 724. We won't tie it up anymore. I do look forward to hearing about how the progress goes on that antenna. 724. It was great to hear you in there. You got 151. Moa Junkie. I'm going to say 73s to you, buddy.
Appreciate that. You're right back on YouTube, so take care. Have yourself a good one, and you made my day. You made me check on you there. I just flabbergasted. I got no words to describe it, so. Take care.
How about at Alabama? 815. Windsor on.
Thanks for coming back to us. 94, Airfield, Chicago. Stand by.
Copy that. 94 at the airfields in Chicago. 94. Thank you so much for calling out for me and for getting 724 back on the air. 94 Chicago. It was great to talk to you. You got 151 Moa Junkie in South Carolina. I'm going to say 73s to both of you guys.
Okay, thank you very much. You sound good, loud and proud.
Yeah, better South Carolina. You copy 13, Indiana.
13 Indiana. I got you. You got 151 South Carolina returning.
Yeah, good evening to you there.
You're rushing the day away. It's still afternoon there, 13.
Okay, Tony.